Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Garmin RearVue 820's firmware update has failed. So, first of all, try charging your Garmin. To do that, turn it off, connect the charging cable to it, make sure that you see the green blinking light indicator on top of it, which means that your device is charging, and charge it for at least like half an hour perfectly for 2 hours, and then try installing the update once again. So turn it on, then select it in your Varia application, go to software updates and check for the available ones. And if you still don't succeed, try turning off your RearVue and restarting your smartphone. After the restart, reconnect your RearVue to your smartphone and simply try once again. But if your software update fails once again, then instead of connecting it to our smartphone, we'll connect it to our computer and open the Garmin Express application on it. But let's do everything in order. So let's connect our cable to the RearVue. The other side of the cable is inserted into our computer. So now let me take smartphone. Let me show you only the Varia. So open the Garmin Express application on your computer, and if you don't have it, you can download and install it from the official Garmin website. Here you're gonna have to click Add a Device, then wait for your RearVue to appear on the screen. Click Add Device, then sign into your Garmin account. Now we can also register our product if you'd like to, then add a nickname, and then to check for available updates, click right here. If the update is found, you'll be able to click download and install. Then you're gonna have to accept the agreement, and then you'll just have to wait until this update is installed on your device. And this time everything should go right. And that's pretty much how you resolve this issue. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.